Mom.
What are you doing today?
It's breakfast.
Eating breakfast.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah, Mom.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Sugars.
You got sugars?
Yeah.
What was the thing that we needed to get?
Oh, coffee.
For the coffee?
Yeah.
Mix it, Eric.
Mix it.
Thank you, Eric.
Good job, bud. That's butter. Try it. I'll touch it. 3, 2, 1, touch. It smells good. You want a bite? Bite it. It's soft. Want me to cut it?
Yeah.
Cut a piece off.
What is that, Eric?
Want to try it?
What is it? A muffin?
No, that.
A muffin.
No, Mom, no.
How is it, Dad?
It's delicious. Try it. And blow it.
I know that no awesome.
Yeah, try it. Is that good? Is that delicious?
What is that?
The same thing.
Oh.
You gotta smell it. That one has nuts in it. Good.
What do you have to drink? What is it? Lemonade?
More.
Did you like it?
I got that. I got that. I got that.
I'm glad.
Good job.
Eat. I got it.
Good job.
I can get this.
That's
Kit
hot.
Kat.
That's hot. You see the steam?
That's from that. That's from the same that.
Yeah.
I want to walk.
Ooh. That's a big bite.
It's hot.
It's hot. You gotta blow it.
Thank you for it.
Where are we going now?
PetSmart.
PetSmart?
Yeah.
Let's go. New PetSmart. What is that?
Snake.
Snake. Wow.
Isn't that cool? Look, they got like a little mini one up there too. Look. And then
Yeah? Ooh. Look at the birdies. Where'd you go?
she wants me.
Eric, look over here.
Oh, look at these guys.
Let me see.
What's
What's in there?
Ready?
Birdies?
Yeah. Looking.
I see you. I see you with the birdies. What? Oh, on this side? I see you. No, we're not hide and seek.
Look at these guys, they're sleeping.
Everyone's sleeping. Except for that guy. What is that, Eric? Is that Superman?
Oh, you put it on.
I take out this.
Take it off.
Superman? Yeah, that's for doggies. We got Superman and Batman. What is that? Pick up?
Yeah.
Show me.
Come on.
What's this?
What is that?
Snake.
Snake. Those are. It's the Kong safety stick. Safe stick for doggies.
Mickey Mouse, Mom.
Mickey Mouse bed?
Yes.
Oh, that's Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse bed and Mickey Mouse bed. Wow. Yeah, it's for doggies. Let's go. What is that, Eric?
It's for cute.
Let's go.
Kids, today we got this nice jacket for Polo today. We're gonna get ready to put it on. Right, Eric?
Yeah.
Right, Batman? Let's do it. Come on, Polo.
Let's see it, Polo.
All right.
You look
There
so
we go,
cute.
Polo. Nice and ready for the winter. Doesn't it look nice, Eric? What do you think, Batman? Oh yeah, it looks nice. Let's go. Riding around town. Let's go, Polo. Uh-oh. Alrighty, kids, we're all done for the day. Remember, please like our videos and don't forget to subscribe.